So, fun story. I bought a bunch of contaminated silver on eBay and then I melted it and mixed it with some really low quality silver from a silverware set. And then when I tried to roll it to make jewelry, it all split up and fell apart, rendering it useless. But it was a good amount of silver, and I've been sitting on it for a while because silver is so expensive now. So I had to figure out a way to get what I could out of this. So I did some homework and I'm melting it with nitric acid. You don't want to breathe these fumes. They're toxic. You don't want to touch that silver nitrate, that blue, well, what becomes of it? That's silver nitrate. You don't want to touch that either. That'll turn your fingers black like dye for 2 weeks. Those are silver crystals that occurred overnight because of the temperature change in my garage. This is the cool part. Once you've got it all melted and it's not acid anymore, it's silver nitrate, you drop copper in there and it basically rains silver particles because copper is more reactive than silver. So it basically just rains the silver into the solution. You can see it close up right there. Man, I was fascinated with this. So anyways, once I get all the silver particles out of the solution and rinse it several times, now I can just heat those particles up to about 1800 degrees Fahrenheit. And then I poured them into this bucket of water, just so they're easy to melt again, and there's my stash. I ended up with about 25 ounces out of 33 or so ounces of junk that I couldn't use. That's not good by professional standards, but I mean, who knows how much stuff was in there that I couldn't use anyways. Now I can make more jewelry like this. Anyways, if you watched this whole video, check out my page. And I probably won't be doing more chemistry experiments, but you can see some of the cool stuff that I make. Stay safe, everybody. Take care.